Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to look at the JBL Go 3 versus the JBL Flip 5. We're going to compare the audio and to see which one sounds the best. So it's coming with a 5 hours charge. It is £35. You have a few more colors to pick from: black, blue, red, pink. Quite a lot of colors to pick from. It doesn't come with a microphone to answer phone calls, volume control on the top and the person playing, and you have Bluetooth and power button on the sides, USB-C to charge. Bluetooth 5.2, quite a light speaker as well. The Flip 5 is around £100, 12 hours of playtime. You have black, red, pink, white, blue, quite a lot of color to pick from. Bluetooth 4.2, come with a USB-C for charging, and it doesn't have a microphone to answer phone call, and you have multi-connection. So if you have multiple speakers, you can use that to connect multiple JBL speakers together. You have the volume control, pause and play, power button, Bluetooth, and a USB to charge. And that is your LED lights to display how much is charged. So we're going to try to play a few songs and few bass to see which one sounds the best, which one sound good on the low volume, and which one sound good on the high volume.
The top has been a while for you. Pick you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. Yeah. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Pick you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. Yeah. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Now we going way up. Now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 C's. Had me down for the count. I was on 9-9 all the time. Shattered soul, you took control. But now I'm gone bye-bye, bring the fire. You took something beautiful and made it something cruel. It's all that I get from you. You're so delusional, now watch me take control. I've been running from myself. Had me down for the count. I was on 9-9 all the time. Shattered soul, you took control. But now I'm gone bye-bye, bring the fire. You took something beautiful and made it something cruel. It's all that I get from you. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya va segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Pick you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, oh, I'm so fancy. Yeah. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Pick you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, oh, I'm so fancy. Yeah. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, counting all the way up. Count blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, pray up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Fucking late, stay up, counting all the way up. Count blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, now we gon' way up, now we going. On track, now we gon' way up, now we gon' way up, now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 C's. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Had me down for the count. I was on 9-9 all the time. Shattered soul, you took control. But now I'm going bye-bye, bring the fire. You took something beautiful and made it something cool. It's all that I get from you. Had me down for the count. I was on 9-9 all the time. Shattered soul, you took control. But now I'm going bye-bye, bring the fire. You took something beautiful and made it something cool. It's all that I get from you. You're so delusional, now watch me take control. I've been running from myself like a...
Those of you who wondered which speaker sound the best and which one you should buy, I think we got the answer. The Flip 5 have the most bass. Not only that, it's much louder. And if you want really good bass and you don't want to spend that money, you don't want to spend around £100, I'll go for the JBL Go 3, or the audio is freaking amazing. A really good audio on the JBL Go 3. For that price, it's outperform most of the speakers. If you have a bit more money to spend, then I will go for the Flip 5 for the bass and that loud audio. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and like the video, leave the comments below which one you think will sound the best. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.